Mała szafa wyjdzie. Muszę łóżko chyba muszę mieć.
It's usually something you want to read, or something you should read.
4, 5 wyświetleń na pewno.
Nathaniel, go at Ken say. Yeah, you don't want to more chairs. Barry, Tommy, did you send me to get my belt? They're gonna make it like a circle. They're gonna make it like yeah. So what's my house? They've worked so hard, and like hard is an understatement how hard they worked on these PBLs. And then thanks to you guys, I know some of you guys were with the hot glue guns and drilling holes and doing all stuff to help them out buying supplies. So we thank you guys for supporting them in their exploration. I think it's 9:47. I think we're gonna give like 3 more minutes or until the announcement comes on, but it seems like anybody we were expecting seems to be here. Good morning, Mr. Carnero. So we were just saying we think all of our parents are here. We're good to start? Oh, fantastic. Fabulous. We appreciate that. All right, without further ado, we are going to please have a take Make everybody feel comfortable, even though there are some nerves going on right now. All right, Peppa Pig, take a deep breath. We're gonna display their wind chime. We're gonna untangle their wind chime. Since we are not outside right now.
One challenge we faced was that the bees keep falling off. Also, people from other groups would come over.
Take on a wind chime. I am going to act as Mother Nature once again. Alright, take it away, guys.
Coming to noise. Wind chime for people to noise. Group name VBS. Group members Amy Torres Calixto, Brenda Hernandez, Paula Paccar, Salome Carmona, and Nathaniel Alana. What is project-based learning? Project-based learning is a way of learning.
I will take on the role of Mother Nature. So here is their wind chime. All right, let's learn all about their process.
Calling the noise wind chime for a peaceful failure. Group name, the professional group. Group members, Wendy Goldman, Mateusz Rosa, Samuel Ariana, and Athena Olsen. What is project-based? People feel less stress and less anxious. When you hear the wind chimes, it makes calming sounds.
I can't really tell you, but that didn't work. So we colored the metal caps and can't, but the bells kept falling off. Then we decided to use the rings to connect the bells to the metal caps. We connected the bells and the ring to the metal can, and that worked. Now we have our wind chime. First, we tested by connecting the string to the
Just untangling the belt. Give me one moment. All right, this is the wind chime created by the monkeys. I'm going to be Mother Nature. All right, guys, take it away.
With the noise, wind chime for peace. peaceful schoolyard. School members, the monkeys, school members, Andreas, Emilio Ramirez, Kenzie Jr. That's what I'm doing. What is project-based learning? Project-based learning is a way of learning by doing. Instead of just reading or listening, we worked on the real problem, created a solution, and learned along the way. We asked questions, explored ideas, built a wind chime, and improved it. For example, in our project, we learned about noise pollution and created a wind chime to make a schoolyard more peaceful. This helped us think, create, and work together, just like real-world problems.
Understanding noise pollution. Noise pollution is when there's too much noise and it hurts your ears. Some examples of noise pollution: loud screaming, ears, and cars, people, streets, and airplanes, and many other things. We are trying to solve this problem.
Defining the problem. We notice a lot of noise in our scooter. Noise pollution affects our emotions and focus by hurting our ears. A little noise is okay, but too much loud noise can make us feel bad or hurt our ears. Why wind chimes? We chose wind chimes because they are relaxing and help you calm down. They also help people relax and recover from noise pollution. So wind chimes are a perfect idea.
Materials and sketch. Material we used are string, metal rings, and a coffee cup. Our sketch looks like this. We sketch.
You can go back. Nicholas wants to say something else.
Okay.
We sketched our wind chime.
That's all.
We sketched our wind chime.
You want to explain the other pictures? What's this one right here?
It's just the pictures of the materials.
And then what's up there?
The ring.
All right, keep going, guys.
How we built our wind chime. We started with the string and the metal rings. We tied the string to the metal rings. Then we worked on the rings. We finished it with the car.
We decided to add some beats and bells to see if it would make more sound and we were perfect.
Reflection lesson learned. The challenges we faced were that when we tried tying the strings, they won't fit. So we used glue because the strings were falling and moving, and it worked. What we learned about noise pollution is that it can hurt people because it damages their ears. Emotional wellness is when we hear calming sounds that help our ears feel better after noise pollution. PBL helps us work together because even though things don't always work and some things seem hard, our teammates are here to help us. Teamwork makes the dream work. Together, everyone achieves more. Thank you for reading our presentation of our wind chimes.
Our wind chime. I'm going to be Mother Nature one last time for today. Everybody else is respectful. All right, here we go, guys. You got this. Remember to speak loud.
Understanding noise pollution. Noise pollution or sound pollution is any noise that's